Hello, all. Today, I want to talk about a research internship interview experience. So, recently, I had an interview for an internship. So, I'll tell you all about what I did a few days back, how did I prepare, and my experience of the interview, and what are my expectations. The first thing I did was I researched the company website. What is their mission, their products, services, what platform are they using, what is their programming language, the people working in the company, what is their research background. So I pretty well went through their website. If there are some tutorials or things like that, I try to. So there were some tutorials. So I went through a few of them. So I did a well background study of the company. The next thing I did was I updated my CV. So I considered myself working in the company and started updating the CV accordingly. So each of the point that I have mentioned in the CV. So if it's like I have done an internship on this particular system, or I have done modeling and simulation, or drug distribution study. So I try to connect it with the company's objectives. It's not like a direct connection since this was my core company. This area, the research, the position was core to me. It was easy for me to connect with the objectives mentioned. So I also brushed my knowledge on the models and the optimization techniques I have used early in the early years of PhD. So some of the models, some internship that I have done, I went through the reports on that, and I prepared myself for the things mentioned in the resume in case they ask me in detail. Coming to the interview experience, so it was scheduled for 30 minutes. So uh, so they asked me to introduce myself, my research experience. So I did it. Then they explained about the company, about the role, what I'm expected to do, um, what what do they how the modeling and simulation is done in their company. And they gave me, after each question they asked me, do you have any questions? So I was well prepared with some of the questions, so it just naturally came into me also. So if they were explaining something, I was curious about from where did they get the data, or what type of models they are using. Is there specific groups that deal with different disease modeling or drug distribution analysis, etc. So that way the interview was very comfortable. I was not nervous. So coming to the overall experience, I felt really good. I'm satisfied actually. So it went really well. It connected with me very well. So I think I'm positive about their response. Let's see what happens. Thank you.